construction in 2021. Here's Vattuniemenkatu, Helsinki 16, small letter B, staircase A. This is the first staircase in this residential building. The capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams. It has to be 320. Inside it's 20.
Yeah.
And it was also built in early 1972 with NP8 fixtures and NP6 occupied lamp and stop and alarm buttons. And the serial number is H28312, turning 50 years old in the next year, 2022. It's going to be inspected in 2023. And the serial number is H28312, that's 6 floors. Okay, so here's the ground floor, street level or Katota's.
Yeah. Inspektiippaakin vai täältä meidän temppaa silloin.
How this sounds here, and the style is like very typical early 1970s.
Yeah.
Golden brown walls and floor in the staircase.
Yeah.
And also the A part has only 4 floors. It was built in late 1971, but without elevators. They have been added later.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get there.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching.
That's